Top 10 most popular products on Amazon in 2024.
Number 5. Cordless hand massagers. The Wall Deep Tissue Corded Long Handle. Percussion massager is a powerful handheld therapy device designed for whole-body use. With a corded electric power source, this massager provides consistent and reliable performance for a variety of massage needs. The combination of plastic and metal materials ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable tool in your self-care routine. Weighing just 1.92 pounds, the Wall Deep Tissue Massager is lightweight and easy to maneuver, allowing you to target specific areas or enjoy a full-body massage with ease. The long handle design enables you to reach areas that are typically hard to access, providing a comprehensive and effective massage experience. Wall, a trusted brand known for its quality grooming products, delivers excellence once again with this deep tissue massager. Whether you are looking to soothe tired muscles after a workout or simply relax and unwind at the end of a long day, this massager offers versatile.
Number 4. Oil sprayers. The Chapin 162002 gallon made in USA garden pump sprayer is a reliable solution for efficiently distributing insecticides and other granule-based substances in your garden or backyard. With a sturdy construction and a capacity of 2 gallons, this sprayer can effectively cover a significant area without the need for refills frequently. The design of this garden pump sprayer is user-friendly, featuring comfortable handles and a convenient pump that allows for smooth operation. The 2.3-pound weight of the sprayer makes it lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended spraying sessions. One of the standout features of the Chapin 16200 is its liquid volume of 2,000 milliliters, which enables you to cover large areas of your garden with minimal effort. The sprayer is designed to target insects, effectively ensuring that your plants remain healthy and pest-free. As a product proudly made in the USA by Chapin International, you can trust in the quality.
Number 3. Camping tents. The Coleman, Montana camping tent presents a reliable shelter option for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a spacious and durable camping tent. With a substantial occupant capacity of up to 7 individuals, this tent is designed for families or groups venturing into the great outdoors. One standout feature of the Coleman, Montana camping tent is its Rainfly edition, enhancing protection against the elements during inclement weather conditions. Constructed with fiberglass poles, this tent ensures sturdiness and stability while still being relatively lightweight for ease of transportation. Ideal for camping and hiking excursions, this tent offers a generous space for occupants to rest comfortably after a day of outdoor activities. The 3-season design allows for versatility, making it suitable for various weather conditions, while the green color blends seamlessly with natural surroundings. Measuring at 27.5 L into 9.25 W into 9H when packed, the Coleman, Montana camping tent.
Number 2. Portable washing machine. This portable washing machine by Cricut is a convenient solution for anyone seeking an efficient way to do laundry without the need for a standard-sized machine. With dimensions of 12.5 inches in depth, width, and 13.5 inches in height, this mini washer is compact yet functional. The 11-liter capacity makes it suitable for small loads or items that require immediate washing. The special feature of no basket simplifies the washing process, allowing for easy loading and unloading. Operating this machine is hassle-free thanks to the top-load access location and touch controls. In a stylish purple color and crafted from durable plastic material, this washer is not only practical, but also visually appealing. The specific cycle option for baby wear caters to the needs of families with infants, ensuring gentle care for delicate garments. Overall, the Cricut portable washing machine offers a blend of convenience, efficiency, and compact design, making it an excellent choice.
Number 1. Acrylic heart plaques. This Ewong thank you gifts for women is a charming and elegant gift option suitable for various occasions. The transparent acrylic material gives it a modern and sophisticated look, making it appealing to recipients of all ages. The floral theme adds a touch of femininity and grace, ensuring that it will be well received by women with different tastes. The thank you style is simple yet meaningful, making this gift a thoughtful way to express appreciation and gratitude to the special women in your life. Whether it's for a friend, family member, colleague, or mentor, this gift is versatile and can